Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are we doing today? Today I have a pretty exciting video.
This is my intro song. That's it. That's the intro.
I went and I got the Sunday Riley morning and night collection. I have had pretty bad acne, especially scarring on my cheeks and pretty bad acne on my forehead and just kind of all over. And I am tired of having acne scars and acne, and I just wanted to see if Sunday Riley really works. Is it as good as the hype says it is? So I got these two products and let's get into the unboxing so we can see what we fully got. Before we begin, if you get both of these products, you are going to get double of the face wash, the toner, and the Good Genes. So just be aware of that if you're gonna get this product. So to start, I got the Wake Up and it comes with all of this. Let's unbox this one first. So this is the Good Morning Wake Up one. It's called Wake Up With Me. And we're gonna start. Oh, look how pretty that is. That is beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna open it. Are you ready? Oh, this side. Whoops. Are you kidding me? Look at how pretty the holographic is in there. And then here's all the products. So it looks like we have the ceramic slip, the pink drink toner, the Good Genes, which is the be-all end-all of Sunday Riley, the CEO Glow, the CEO Tonic, and the autocorrect. So if I'm not mistaken, you are supposed to go in the morning and you're supposed to use this, pat your face dry, spray on this, let it soak into the skin for a few minutes. Then you are supposed to go in with these two, which you can either use as a serum together, or you can go in with the oil and then the serum, and then you put on the Good Genes, and then you go in with the autocorrect in the eyes. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna try a few things. We're gonna try that, and if that works, great, and if not, I may doctor it a bit to see what works for me. So that is the morning. It is beautiful. This packaging is absolutely stunning. I love the simplicity with the shine and the gold lettering, and of course, holographic. How can I not love that? Here we have the Go to Bed one. Now this one I feel like is gonna look similar box-wise, but let's check. It's a similar box. I want this box so bad. It's so pretty. I think I might repurpose them because they're just so gorgeous. And then, oh, it's so pretty. I absolutely love this box. And in this, we have the ceramic slip, the pink drink, the Good Genes, the Luna, and the ice. Now I have used Luna before and I have used Good Genes before. I found it did take a week for my skin to get a little worse before it got better. And the Luna, my skin just ate up the moisture. Now this was years ago, so I don't know if it'll still be good, but especially since it's not winter. If it was winter time, I'd say for sure, but since it is summer and it's a little hotter and more humid in the summer, this might be a little heavy for me, but I am willing to give it a go. With this one, you are supposed to put this on your face, pat it dry, again, go with the pink drink, spray it on, let it sink into your skin. Then you go in with the Luna and you put it on your face, you let that sink in for a few minutes. Then you go in with the Good Genes, you put that all over, and then just before bed, and no time sooner, you put on the ice moisturizer. I'm really excited to try this ice one. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I'm just really excited to try these products. This is what it looks like. They're both so pretty. They come in very similar boxes. One, of course, is bigger than the other. And as I said before, they do have some of the same products. So just be wary of that if you like to try them out. I haven't done the math, but I do wonder if getting the 5 products, so these ones, if they'd be cheaper just to get in the samples than get the whole package by itself. But I will crunch the numbers and put them right here. I'll be using these products for a full month just to see how they work, if they hold up, how my skin does, if it likes it, if it doesn't like it, if it clears up, if the redness goes away, if the spots go away, and I'll make sure to do a before and after in next week's video. So if you'd like to see what a month of me doing this and how it worked on my skin, don't forget to check out next week's video where I will be doing a month of Sunday Riley. Please don't forget to leave a like, click share. I know somehow we're gonna get there. And if you could, subscribe and comment the skincare you would like me to try next. I am looking for my ultimate skincare routine that will just do what I need to do. So if you have skincare recommendations, please don't be afraid to comment them and I might check them out in a future video. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.